Hello and welcome to another episode. This is Manoj Prabhakaran. I think this is the first time that I'm going to talk something about technology. In recent times, you would have checked on their official website on the Apple website. Yes, I'm going to talk about their kind of a release that they are going to do. And every year, usually there used to be a program called WWDC. Yes, and coming Monday, that is in the month of June 2020, according to their time, that is Pacific Daylight Time at around 10 a.m. The WWDC of 2020 is going to happen, and almost more than 100 plus developers are going to participate all over the world. And for the first time, this time in the year of 2020, Apple is going to conduct this on a virtual conference. Yes, it's going to happen 100% digital, and everybody are going to check on their website, and in further they are going to get in a lot of updates. And to list few about the WWDC 2020, what's all going to happen. So I have kind of few pointers which I have kind of taken down, and also the rumors which were spreading for a long time, what to expect, what not to expect, and what is going to happen in WWDC. Usually every year there is some expectation in the WWDC, because every year in the WWDC they have also a plan to launch few of their products as well. Yes, and this time in 2020, so here are the list that you can expect on their live event in the WWDC. Yes, so number one, for a long time, lot of iMac users are going to expect and see a new design which has been going to be revealed by their Apple in the WWDC 2020. Usually, if you see their iMac, it's not properly. I mean, it's been long time since they have actually redesigned, and this time, like the all new iPad Pro 2020, you would have seen it's been kind of a very box type and a frameless design. So this time even many of them are expecting, and there were a lot of rumors in terms of picture which were going on in every social media. Yes, that is number one. And number two is number two, yes, a lot of new updates on the iOS platform and the iPad OS, TV OS, Watch OS, Mac OS, 10 to 16. So a lot of the Apple update OS, it's going to be coming up this time on the WWDC. Looking forward for more such official launches on the iOS 14, and currently almost in the Apple devices it's running on the iOS 13 on their iPhone, iPod devices. Yes, so apart from that, also there is going to be a kind of an upgrade on the iOS 14, where iOS 14 where Apple is planning to bring in the kind of a QR scan code. Yes, and they are also bringing some kind of a QR code which is developed by the Apple. And in the future, in case if you go in their any of their Apple showrooms, you will find their official codes, which with the help of your any of your Apple devices, you can scan their code and you can get some great benefits. Yes, and also apart from that, for the past more than a year, actually, frankly speaking, more than a year, there were also rumors saying that Apple is planning to bring up their air tags. Yes, so in case if you are having any of your Apple devices in your desktop, or probably in the car or wherever you travel, and sometimes you forget your devices, maybe it can be your laptop, or maybe it can be your iPad or watch or iPhone, whatever it may be, and suddenly at that kind of a time, so in case if you want to figure out where your device are, or in case if you want to check out your devices if it is very safe and things like that, so this time they are planning to also bring in air tags. Yes, so with the help of the air tags, it is usually connected with all your Apple devices with the help of your Bluetooth, and with the help of your same device which you are logging in with the help of your email ID. So a lot of these rumors have been talking for a very long time, which has been going to expect on this WWDC 2020, which is going to happen day after tomorrow, that is coming Monday 2020 June. Yes, and apart from that, in the iPad OS 14, since the new iPad 2020 is launched, a lot of iPad users are expecting a lot more changes to happen in terms of speed functionality, and also even the original cursor to come up. Yes, and also another thing, last point which I wanted to conclude in this video is the Find My app is also going to come up with some more improvements in terms with the new sound, and it's going to give you also vibration also, because in usual normal Find My device, I mean Find My iPhone app, you can basically you can just locate your iPhone, and you cannot even try to ping in a very high decibel of sound, or probably it cannot even vibrate. So that is another feature that you can also expect in the new iOS 14. So a lot more updates, lot more things going to happen in this WWDC 2020. Fingers crossed. Also to my knowledge, I am also guessing that there will be sure some launch which will for sure happen, and Apple is actually doing really great in terms of launching their new products in spite of this COVID-19 pandemic which has been affected globally. So they are doing their best in terms of launching their products and keeping up their product lineup on a great update. And recently their iPhone SE second generation also got launched in India, which is now a big hit with the help of the new A13 Bionic chip. They have reinvented the new iPhone, and it's been picked up in a great way. And currently, if you check in many of the online e-commerce website, a lot of the new iPhone SE second generation models are actually currently out of stock. That's a great welcome to the Apple iPhone SE second generation, that too in India compared to all other brands. Kudos to the Apple team. Yes, and looking forward for more updates and more launches coming WWDC 2020. But you don't forget to stay tuned and keep subscribing my channel Blue Planet for a lot more automotive and tech updates. Cheers.